Well, it's been a couple days since I've done a video. Oh, and of course, little Chucklehead has to show up. Say hi. Oh, there he is. There's old Chubby. Anyway, yeah, I haven't done any videos for a couple of days. Things have been fun around here. Anyway, I had to go and my daughter got her well, not a new truck, but a better truck than what she had. So, you know, that was fun. So that took a little bit of time. Anyway, I was happened to be looking at Mr. Carlson's lab yesterday, one of the video he did, and just happened to notice he was working on the same exact test equipment that I had. All I'd done to this one is I just put a new line cord on it just to check it out and see what it would actually do without replacing any parts. And anyway, it seems to be in good shape. The wiring doesn't seem to be too bad. I actually have a schematic for it, so at least that's something anyway. So, and it's a Accurate Instrument Company signal generator and tracer model 153, and this was made around 1960 somewhere. And so yeah, he went through on the one he had and checked it out. And of course, the capacitors were leaky and everything else in that. But actually, when he turned it on, it didn't make any hum or anything. Now this one here, it hums like crazy. So pretty much going to have to do something with that. Actually, it's missing a couple of screws too. So I'm going to have to find some screws to get this thing back together the right way. But let me show you what we got. Yeah, look at the dog. Impossible to do anything with on my lap. And, let's see if I can get some light on this one. I know, I'm getting shadows now. Let's see if I can get something there. There we go. Yeah, that's a better shot of it. And yeah, it's well, let's see if I can. Interesting thing. It doesn't really have the only. This is actually, if you notice, it is super clean. On the chassis itself, super clean. Like I said, I put a turn it around. You can see it. And let's see. Trying to get the whole thing in a shot there. Hold on here. Timber. Let me get down here. We'll tilt her down. And then a little bit closer. Let's see. Contrast. Nah, too dark. Alright. Well, anyway. This one's all pretty much same routine as the one he had. Wax cap's got to be replaced. There's a couple of caps back here. I've replaced, I think, one of them actually. It was really in bad shape. But I've got to go through the rest of it because it's definitely the filter caps got to be replaced. It's definitely humming like crazy, so those will have to cut out, and I'll wire new caps in. But yeah, it'll be another project, as if I don't have enough of them already. Radios, radios, test equipment, you name it. Yeah, we got it all over the place. So, wait a second, let me put it back, and I'll show you what it does do. Yes, we'll just turn it around would help. Do it the right way. And this thing is strange the way they have it set up. So it's actually angled. It actually goes in that way. It's made to work that way. I got it tilted up so you can see it a little bit better. And back out. Just enough so you can see it all. Okay. And now we'll see if it blows up when I plug it in. Oh, let's see. Where's the cord? There it is. Let's see, what's the line voltage look like today? Well, it's gone up a little bit tonight. So 119.1 line voltage today. Let's see. And this should be where you turn it on. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but the old light came on down here. Let it warm up. And of course you let it warm up. And what do you get? That's right. We got a bit of hum coming out there. So you know the electrolytics are pretty much gone. So I'll take care of those. But yeah, so I'm going to have to go ahead and start working on this one. But it would be handy to have the signal generator and a signal tracer all in one. So, not that I don't have one, I do, but this is another portable one. So we'll see. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you, and that's going to be it for now. We will talk to you guys later.